What comes to mind when you think of the word fast? People? Animals? Or what about cars? If you thought cars, then you've come to the right video. Fast is defined as being capable of moving at high speed, and without a doubt, every car on Earth is capable of high speeds. Now, with so many different makes and models of cars, how do we know what a fast car looks like? To answer that, we'll start with what a fast car should sound like. Now, to some, it may look like this, or this, but to me, it looks like this. This is my 2013 Volkswagen Golf R, and this is one fast car. It may look like a completely stock Golf R, but it's what's underneath that counts. With its APR Stage 2 tune, intake, and exhaust, this little hatch makes well over 350 brake horsepower. Time out. Let's take a look at the factory outputs and compare them to what we've got. The car still weighs 3,400 pounds, so nothing interesting happens here, but this is where things start to change. From the factory, this little 2-liter is outputting 268 brake horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque, and has a 0 to 60 time of about 5.6 seconds. With an intake, 3-inch downpipe, and APR Stage 2 tune all running on 93 octane, my Golf is outputting close to 360 brake horsepower and 370 pound-feet of torque. These numbers may not mean a lot to some people, but to us car enthusiasts, it's a clear sign of a fast car. Every time you get on the road, take a second look at the other cars around you. You'll be surprised to find that fast cars are much closer than you think.